Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm showing you this wig that I made. Y'all know I've been really into making my own wigs right now, kind of giving my hair a break from the quick weaves. So I wanted a flip over style, so I ended up making like a flip over style wig. So y'all know I never had my hair braided down, so I have this wig cap. I already sectioned off the hair that I want to leave out in the front, and we're just putting everything in the back away. But the hair is from West Kiss Hair. I have their natural black kinky straight human hair, and I have 3 bundles of 28 inches. The hair is pretty full right out of the box. So here I'm just trying on my wig, making sure it fits, making sure I like how it looks on. This is the hair freshly washed and blow dried, so as you can see, it's really big. It's really big, it's really full, it's really long, and this is where the hair falls on me. It goes way past my hips. I love that for me. So I'm just showing you how I'm able to like flip it over, and then how my hair blends right on into the extensions. Like, where is the beginning and then the ending? You can't tell me. So yeah, I'm just pulling my hair out just to make sure I have enough hair out to cover the end of my wig cap, and I do. So you can totally do half up half down with this style, and I don't even have anything securing the wig. It's just super snug, but I would suggest having some clips or combs in there so your wig don't go sliding all over the place. But here I'm just showing you a few steps on how I made the wig. It's super easy, super self-explanatory. I'm just measuring the weft, cutting it, and gluing it down. Of course, this will be tailored to your own head shape. My mannequin head that I work on is a 22-inch, so it's about the same size as my head. I'm like 21 and a half or something. So my wigs normally always fit. Normally, sometimes, sometimes they don't. But without me cutting anything, the wig always fits. So I knew this wig was going to fit perfectly. And you just want to make sure you space your tracks out as needed. I had 3 bundles of hair and I actually used all 3 of the bundles, which worked out perfectly because I was a little nervous. I thought I wasn't going to have enough hair to fill my whole wig cap, because normally I'm making like a U-part wig, but it actually all worked out, and this is what the hair looks like. Well, my wig looks like at the end. Really easy to do. And to style the hair, all I did was blow dry it straight, and I didn't straighten it. I'm just throwing in some wand curls on top of the natural kinky straight texture, and that's it. So just watch me curl the hair. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? And these are the finished wand curls. It really didn't take me that long to curl my hair. I find it much easier to curl it on the mannequin head instead of my head because I'm afraid of burning myself. But the hair curled extremely easy and it's super bouncy, as you can see. So I'm just putting the wig back on my head, and I'm going to finish off the curls at the top. At first I was going to curl my hair with the extensions, but I found that it was just easier to finish curling the extensions and then curl my hair separately and then blend it all together, but you'll see all that. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I can't.
Keep focus on.
And as you guys know, I am giving my poor little sad middle part a break. So the flip over was the perfect alternative. So here I'm just curling my natural hair. Yeah, I'd be so scared to burn myself. I don't want the wand to get too close to my scalp, too close to my fingers. It's scary. Once you've been burned, you kind of don't want to get burned again. So I am cautiously curling my leave out.
Wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
And once we're done curling, here I am just kind of trying to find the side that I want to wear it on. So we flip it and we mix it and we blend it, and I am satisfied with how this looks. So I'm just taking some of my edges out because we are going to slick them down with some good old edge control. And voila, we are done. These are one of those styles that just look better as they get older. But I'll be sure to list all of West Kiss hair info in the description box, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.